Hello, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how I used this free pattern from the Sailrite YouTube page, and used it to put my own style on. The tutorial on their page is very in-depth and useful for beginners. This video is a demonstration on my workflow for this specific project. I am using various scrap materials found around my studio. Let's fucking go. Here are all the materials needed for the patchwork I am doing. I need one of each, and this is the method I use to patchwork my scraps together. When placing my pieces down, I make sure there is enough room to pin to the other piece, as well enough room to fit the initial pattern piece. Leave some space in case the pieces shift during pinning. I know this isn't the most efficient method, but it looks cool and there's a fucking tripod in front of my face while doing this, so bear with me. All pinned and still fits the pattern. Now we sew this fucker together. Removing pins as I sew and making sure to zigzag and reinforce the seams. When finished sewing, cut around your pattern piece. I did this method for all of the pattern pieces. Now that I finished all the pieces I need in patchwork, I moved on to the hardware of the bag. Zippers, clips, nylon straps and bias tape. After adding the zippers and nylon straps, the tedious part is by far the bias tape. I fucking hate this shit. It's taken off of an old bag I recycled the pieces from, and it's an absolute nightmare to work with new, let alone harvested from another shitty bag. After some intense top stitching, the bag is basically done. Add some straps and a back panel and boom. A fanny pack. This is a fun project for anyone looking to learn how to sew a bag, and I highly recommend checking out the Sailrite channel. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. I love making these types of videos and have more planned for the future. Not necessarily tutorials, but workflow videos, let's call them. Check out my Instagram where this bag will be posted in more detail, and please let me know in the comments if there's anything specific you'd like to see me make. See you next time.